Selamat malam Bapak, Ibu semua. Selamat malam Pak Donald, Andre, dan bintang tamu kita hari ini Pak Gary Herwanto. Saya akan memperkenalkan Pak Gary secara singkat ya. Terima kasih sebelumnya Pak Gary sudah berkenan hadir di acara kita hari ini ya Pak. Saya baca profil singkat Bapak ya. Oke, Pak Gary Herwanto saat ini menjabat sebagai Head of Project Strategy di Bluebird ya, yang menangani investment project dan key project di Bluebird yang berhubungan dengan digital transformation. Sebelum di Bluebird, beliau pun pernah mempunyai pengalaman di McKinsey sebagai consulting, juga sebagai startup founder, juga beliau pernah melanglang buana di London, Sydney, dan New York yang di bidang teknologi dan kreatif agensi di Ogilvy Saatchi ya Pak. Nah itu mungkin sekilas dari perkenalan Pak Gary Herwanto ya Pak. Nah mungkin Pak Gary ada yang mau dipresentasikan secara singkat kali ya Pak dari Bluebird ya. Silakan Pak.
Oke, thank you Vivi. Thank you tim Investment Academy Indonesia buat waktunya. Thank you udah diundang. Semoga kita bisa learn something together today ya. So let me just try to share my screen. Oke. Kelihatan?
Kelihatan Pak.
Okay, cool. I think I'm just gonna share 3 quick slides in a conjunction sama pertanyaan-pertanyaan nanti boleh ditanya ya. I think sekarang kan kita semua udah tahu, most of the participants di sini udah tahu Bluebird is a mobility company, taxi-based company, a conventional company. One of the things that Bluebird do recently in the past maybe 2-3 years is we're doing a digital transformations, and also one of the things that very different than other traditional digital transformation karena kan Bluebird is a mobility company, it's not a tech company, so it's more a mobility supported by digital transformation and supported by the tech capabilities rather than kayak tech companies gitu, beda sama online rides. So I'm just quickly going to share the Bluebird transformation mantra and strategy. We call it 3M, which is multi-product services, multi-payment, and multi-channels. Multi-product services meaning kita tuh lagi expanding our portfolio gitu kan. If you think about when the ride-hailing comes first into the scene, gitu kan, Bluebird only has taxis and Silverbird and Goldenbird gitu kan. Sekarang we have logistics, Bluebird Kirim, and also this is to hedge against ada headwinds kayak misalnya kan pas COVID mobility tuh terbatas gitu kan. We actually literally started the Bluebird Kirim to 2020 pas I just came in gitu to spread the portfolio and then hedge against the headwinds. The second one is the multi-payment. If you think about it, guys, sekarang kan semua orang udah mostly pakai e-wallet ya. If you ask me kayak 3-5 years ago, will Indonesia adopt to e-wallet? I wouldn't believe it gitu kan. Tapi sekarang, well, obviously COVID accelerate the digital adoptions kan. Semua orang pakai cashless, pakai e-wallets, pakai mobile payments gitu kan. And then we have to adapt and evolve with it. That's why kita juga kerja sama GoPay, sama ShopeePay, Isaku, Dana, Link Aja. So whenever you next time take a taxi, bisa bayar pakai GoPay, bisa bayar pakai Isaku, Link Aja. If you use my Bluebird, I think that's the last one would be the multi-channels. In multi-channels, we're thinking of karena kan pada dasarnya coming back to the first statement that we are actually a mobility company as powered by a technology rather than a tech company yang going to mobility or food delivery gitu kan. Jadi memang kita nggak pengen bangun ekosistem mahal. So I think one of the things that the multi-channel would be, the idea of multi-channel is we want to partners with with other entities that contribute the same value in an equal partnerships gitu. Makanya kalau lately ada berita Traveloka goes into ride hailings. Actually they just partner with us. Jadi bisa booking Bluebird pakai Traveloka. Also you can also book Bluebird kalau pakai BCA Mobile. You can also book Bluebird pakai BCA Mobile or pakai Shopee. Kalau pakai Gojek kan memang we're partners and Gojek also investors, gitu kan. That's part of the multi-channel. So that's coming to this one as well. This is what we're talking about in multi-channel. When you see kayak in a traditional concept of competition ya, people used to think kayak, oh kayaknya yaudah kalau gitu lu kan kompetitor gua, kita nggak bisa kerja sama or anything. So rather than that, we actually want to actually partners with people that have shared value gitu. Kayak we believe in equal partnership based on multimodal mobility. Jadi kita leverage each other's strengths and competencies better. Kita serve customer kita better and grow together. Itu rather than tiap orang bikin ekosistem. Oh kalau ada duitnya nggak apa-apa bikin ekosistem sendiri, right? Tapi kalau punya dana terbatas, kita juga a company. Bluebird is a TBK company kan, nggak bisa juga terus langsung burn rate-nya terlalu gede. Nanti shareholder ngamuk, nggak punya dividen gitu kan. Nanti yang beli, gimana nih gue dividen gue kagak balik bos gitu kan. So I think that's the idea of equal partnerships. I think on the essence is actually Bluebird is transforming from an asset-based mobility model kayak cuma pakai taksi doang gitu, cuma pakai rental doang to mobility as a services. So now we actually the North Star metrics for this is the asset to utilization ratio, because we actually an asset based company. Tapi kan kadang-kadang if you think about it, a lot of asset based company asetnya nganggur. So how do you actually optimize your asset to utilization ratio? That would be counted as your strategy. And actually technology, with the current technology, it actually plays a big role into optimizing your assets. Gitu. Jadi your book value sama your tech value bisa seimbang gitu. Kalau tech valuation company biasanya dihitungnya dari tech valuation. Tapi kan kalau asset based company biasanya dihitung aset doang. But now we actually moving into mass model, so we can actually serve better market, better customers, serve more markets. Gitu contohnya kalau lihat di sini, if you think about we serve also point to point, we also have the multimodal mobility. We envision where orang pesen, let's say you want to fly to Bali gitu. Jadi literally point to point, you'll be served by a multimodal kayak partner Star Alliance gitu, modelnya pesawat terbang. Kayak misalnya you can open Garuda app and then order a Bluebird to pick you up from your home to the airport and then fly with Garuda, and then diantar lagi dari Garuda turun di Ngurah Rai and then to your hotel. And that you can access in one Garuda app. Gitu. So that's actually what we want. That's what we envision as an open multi-channel model, equal partnerships. And I think this is the last one. This is what we envision for our futures, right? When we talk about kayak mobility that is powered by tech, what it would look like in the future, gitu kan? We envision a green company. Well, obviously kayak sekarang a lot of entry barriers going to electric vehicles, to EV, namely prices are a bit high. Kayak Tesla model udah berapa duit kan? But sometimes in the future, this will be democratized by lowering the barrier, gitu kan. And then we also ourselves expanding our fleet into electric vehicles. And also we want to utilize our as hubs and smart warehouse. This is also part of the asset utilization services because we see the opportunity integrating tech sama sustainability. Juga buat kayak misalnya Indonesia kan, especially Jakarta nih, tinggal di Jakarta tahu ya kalau kita lihat keluar kayak asapnya udah kebanyakan nih, kayak boleh juga gitu kan. Let's start with something. I think this would be hopefully our plan in the future that can be realized. I think that's for my short presentation. going back to you, Vivi. Thank you.
Oke, makasih banyak Pak Gary buat presentasinya. Ya sepertinya kita ketahui sebelumnya ya, kalau Bluebird itu kan burung pembawa kebahagiaan ya. Jadi cuma bukan bawa barang aja, tapi bawa kebahagiaan buat orang yang ditujunya itu ya Pak. Intinya begitu ya. Nah mungkin ada pertanyaan dari Pak Donald Pak, silakan Pak.